Sure.
And in last, we'll be going to have a QA round, right? So if anybody will be having a doubt and queries related to the course, feel free to ask, right? But I want you to be very, very attentive because Megha ma'am will be going to discuss about the links which will be relevant for your course after that presentation. That is also again helpful for you and dashboard. So please be attentive throughout the session, right? Yes, Megha ma'am.
So as you can see, kids, the first link is all about syllabus link. To know more about your syllabus, just click on this particular link. Payment can be made by just clicking on this particular link. You can share your feedback by just click on this link. All the batch details are here in this link. In case of further queries, you can email us at support@olympiadsuccess.com or drop us a WhatsApp on these two particular numbers. If you find any internet glitch while having this video, we are going live on Facebook. So you can have this video on Facebook itself. So this is all about chat links. I hope I'm clear to everyone. Show me thumbs up if I'm clear. Great.
You
Okay.
need to tilt down your camera towards your face a little bit down. We can only see your half face.
Over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, Megha ma'am. Yes, better with it. Thank you. All right, so now I am going to make you meet your mentor. She's a wonderful mentor. Her classes are very interesting, engaging. She is into teaching profession since so long, and she loves to interact kids like you. And I am very excited that soon she'll be going to introduce a chocolate questions for you, right? So all over to you, Priyasha ma'am.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining in. So, as ma'am has already given you a context, that level two is about how you solve the questions faster, how better you do the questions. Obviously, the level two questions would be more like those achiever section questions which you did in the level one. So, yes, it's gonna be fun for sure, where everything will not be directly answered with the help of one formula. You would have to think that what is the what do you call tricky part, and why is it kept in a level 2 paper and not in a level 1? The moment you start realizing that, you would never fall in a trap which has been made by the question paper setters, because you know the fact that there must be something tricky in it, and when you try searching that, you would always figure that out. So let's start with what exactly we would be doing in our sessions. So we would be practicing the level 2 papers, and would also do a bit of more practice around topics which we have covered in level 1 already, but on a little advanced level. Like today in the demo as well, we will be seeing how we can see a difference between level 1 and level 2 questions, how a bit of new topics would also be introduced. By new topics, I don't mean that the new chapters will not be included, but yeah, the same old chapters will have new layers of questions in it. So it's like you can't just solve it in one go. You have to do it in two, three steps and then reach the answer. So, how would these classes be useful to you people? These classes will be of some help, because here we will not only learn how to manage time during the examination and make sure that we finish the entire paper, but at the same time, we would also be figuring out and understanding that how we can actually fool our brain into thinking that this is not a one big, very large question. Rather, we will break down the question into two, three parts and fool our brain into thinking that this is not a one long, big, hard question. Rather, this is small, three questions combined together under one. So, we will be working on speed as well as accuracy, the two major pillars for cracking the level 2 examination. Okay, so we will have a slight look over it in the demo. But before that, as Pooja ma'am said, that Mega ma'am would be showing some important PPTs to you people, and you would have to note down the details of the sessions. Then she'll be asking questions to you people as well. And once you people are done with that, if you have any questions, ask. We will be answering you back, and then we will get started with the demo. Done, everyone? Okay, then let's get started. So, Mega ma'am, over to you. Thank you.
I hope PPT is visible.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Okay. So I welcome you all on the platform of Olympiad Success. This is demo interaction program for grade 5 maths level 2 batch. Okay, so Olympiad Success is the India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examination. We are the India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad preparation, one of its kind yearly program that includes courses which matters. We have 8 courses having mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken, written, Vedic maths, and coding. What else we provide? We provide one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes from grade 2 to grade 12. We have different one-on-one preparation classes for international mathematics Olympiads, SESMO, CMO, HKMO, TIMO, MathsCon, US Common Core Math Competition, Maths Kangaroo, and PRM. These are rank holders. These are the kids like you only. So if you want that your picture should be here, then what you just 2 hour extra from your regular curriculum activities because examination is quite little tougher than the regular examination. We're having a group sessions with around 20 students delivered through Zoom by tutors by significant teaching experience, having 3 sessions per week Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 8 p.m. till 9:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of breaks. The session includes topic-wise quick revision and discussion of previous year level 2 questions, and students will getting reading material and practice question which will be available on the dashboard of the OS platform. Students will get a free access to the Olympiad Success platform to practice the level 2 mock test for English. The syllabus is available on this particular link, and the fee of this course is rupees 3,720. It is a 16 session course. Payment can be made by using this particular link. The fees includes online class, daily reading notes and exercise, practice of previous year level 2 question, access of Olympiad Success platform. Will refund what else you laptop or desktop with good internet speed and headphones for the better audio clarity. So the live classes will be starting from 20th of December, which will be on Friday. So in 2023-24 Olympiad Success has students more than 5,000 schools across India and abroad. So this is all about informative PPT. I hope I'm clear to everyone. Show me thumbs up if I'm clear. Okay, over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So let me share my screen with you all. Now we will be going to have a look on the dashboard, right? So you make sure that you need to enter this URL olympiadsuccess.com. You will be directed on this page. Over here, you will be going to enter your user details. These are those details which you will get it at the time of registering. Once you have logged in, you will be going to get a personal details on your screen. Check it in case you need to rectify any of the detail. You can do it and update it over here. After this, you have to just go over here in the worksheets, select your subject, and you can see you got so many worksheets for your practice, right? So I'll show you one of the worksheets that how you can attempt your worksheet. Click on take exam, read your instructions, click on the tick box and start your worksheet. So you can see there are 50 questions in one worksheet. So you can imagine that how many question practice you're going to get, right? So let's quickly fill the answer. I'm not very much sure, but let me do it. Make sure, because you need to be attentive while attempting your worksheet, right? So in case, let's say I have doubt in third question, right? I'm not very much sure with the answer. So what I'll be going to do is I can select and mark for the review. In this case, my answer will not be going to get sent unattended and unmarked, right? So let's say I have attempted all my questions and now I want to submit my worksheet. For that, what I'll be going to do is I'll be going to click on finish button. The best part of our platform is the moment you have attempted your worksheet, parallelly you can check your performance, that how you have attempted, how many questions you have done correct, and how many are wrong, that you can improve yourself, improve your errors. In performance, click on your subject, and here you can see your worksheet which I have attempted, right? From date, you can identify, right? So I have attempted 4 questions, all are wrong. Right? Click on review button, you'll get to know which is your answer and which one is the correct answer. So this is how you'll get to know in detail. Yes, so that's pretty much about the dashboard. Now we are open for the QA round. Whosoever is having any doubt related to the course, dashboard tour, feel free to ask. We'll be happy to answer your queries. No one is having any doubt? I'm pretty sure Satya must not be having. Yes, because he has joined us in previous one of the demo also. Ashanya also, Vedehi and Aradhya, please turn on your camera. Mani Kantan, please turn on your camera. We want to see your face. And it will be great. We can interact face to face, right? Virtually. Good to see you all. All right, so quickly type it in the chat box. What are your class days and timings? Then we'll begin with the demo. I'll not make you wait and your mentor more than that. Hurry up. I want to see whether you have seen PPT carefully or not. Oh, so I got a mixed answers. Satya has mentioned 5 till 6:15 p.m. Radha has mentioned 8 till 9:15 p.m. Ashanya has mentioned 8 till 9:15. So Megham, I think we can have a correct timing and days in the chat box once again. All right, so I think you all can see the class days are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and timing will be 8 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. Okay, demo we have kept at 5, right? The class days are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and timing will be 8 till 9:15 p.m. Money Kantan, it's not 8 to 8:30. Classes cannot be only for 30 minutes. How you will be going to practice and learn, right? Classes will be 1 hour, 15 minutes with 5 minutes of break. I hope you all are clear now. Let's begin with the demo. Show me a thumbs up on the screen if you are okay to go ahead with the demo. Right. All over to you, Priyasha ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, everyone, let's get started. So today we are planning to do area and perimeter in the demo. Now, area and perimeter sounds fun, right? Of course, easy. Ma'am, 3 formulas. What more to add on? Now, we will see what more to add on based on the previous year question papers of level 2 exam of your grade. Okay? Everyone is ready? I'm excited. What about you people? Okay. Let's see how much this excitement stays with. Like, I'm not demotivating you, but kind of making you more excited about the fact that now you're going to see level 2 questions and you're going to figure it out that what makes it different. You people will act like teachers, okay? And since you people will be acting like teachers, you will be telling me what is the new thing in this, okay? Let me share my first question to you people. I have deliberately removed the options from this question because I will be teaching you people how you can do this question in a matter of seconds with the options. But firstly, I want all my students to actually do this using their normal method. Now, normal method can be algebra, normal method can be substitution, normal method can be guessing, any which ways. Please let me know your answers in the chat box, everyone. We have a rectangle whose perimeter is provided to us as 40 centimeters, but the relationship between the length and the breadth has been given such that the length is 2 more than the double of the breadth. Find the length and the breadth both of this rectangle. So it hadn't been a level 1 question. They would have given you the length and the breadth and they would have asked you the perimeter, isn't it, guys? Absolutely, yes, ma'am. But since it's a level 2 question of the same chapter which all my students have learned in level 1, that is area and perimeter of rectangles, here you go. You have a twisted question which gives you a flavor of level 2. Please try. Maybe if you people wanted to use a bit of algebra, it would be great. It would be too easy to answer without the options. And in case you're not able to answer without the options, ma'am will show you the options as well. But after a minute, not now. Satyata, are you solving? I don't see you moving. Aishanya is also not writing anything. Aradhya, are you doing something? Probably yes. Oh, your camera turned off. Whether he is solving, Aishanya is close to the computer but not sure if she's solving or typing something in the chat. Mani, I can't see you. Avyakt, hi, welcome back. Avyakt, I can't see you as well. So I'm not sure if you people are even trying this. Hmm. Oh, really, Ashanya? So you're going for a higher grade study? Wow, nice. That's pretty awesome. Okay, boys and girls have. Oops. My camera fell almost. Yeah. So as I said, let's go and see how we can do this question without the options. Can I say that my breath is B for now? Something I don't know, but I want to know. The breath is B. Yep. Why not? Okay. So, if the breadth is B, then what will be the length? Anyone? Please help me frame the equation. 2 more than double. Whether if I want to write double of something, can I write it as 2B? Yeah. And if it is 2 more than that, then 2B plus 2. Now I have my length and my breadth both in terms of B. All I have to do is put it in the formula of perimeter. Very good, Satata. Perimeter formula is 2 times length plus breadth, where my length is this and my breadth is this. So perimeter is equals to 2 times 2B plus 2 plus B, which is technically 2 times 3B plus 2. Okay. Now, if I open the bracket, it is 6B plus 4 because 2 gets multiplied with 3B and 2 gets multiplied with 2. That's 4. And this perimeter is given as 40. So, this means 6B plus 4 is equals to 40. 6B is equals to 40 minus 4 because we have learned it that when we transpose a number from left to right, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication. Point. So 6B is equals to 36, B equals to 6. So if the B, that is the breadth is 6, all of you, can you quickly type in the chat box and tell me what will be the new length? My breadth is 6, so what will be my new length? Double plus 2. Very nice. I have my first right answer from Vedehi. What about others? Come on, participate. Type it in the chat box. If you don't type, then how would I know? Very good, Aradhya. That's right. 14 is the right answer, guys, because double of 6 is 12 and 2 more than 12 is 14. Now, I'll show you the real question, okay? Imagine you did not solve it at all. And all you need to do is do it by the options. Ashanya has a very surprising expression on her face. Guys, look at the options. You don't have to do any calculation apart from the fact that your length should be double plus 2. Check which option follows this rule of double plus 2. Only one, exactly. Only one option follows this. Only one of them. Double plus 2. This is exactly double. This is just plus 2 and this is just plus 2. So simple. No algebra. Level 2. Nah. This is easy. So that is where you need to understand how to get the questions and attempt the questions which are easier. Let's start with something difficult now. Now, see, I told you the formulas would remain the same, everyone. The chapters would remain the same, but a little bit of additional layer will be added. How many of you know? Let me know. How many of you know 1 hectare is equals to how many meters square? Let's ask. You can also ask Google, I don't mind. At least in that way, you would be learning a new thing. And if you don't know this at all, then also Google will help you to learn that what is 1 hectare is equals to something. Oh my God, trigonometry background, Ashanya. Background doesn't mean at the back. Background means what you added as a diagram. Very good, Aradhya. That's correct. 10,000. So 10,000 meters square is equals to 1 hectare. Please take your choice or please take your decision accordingly. Now you do the calculation, get your final answer in meters square and then divide it by 10,000 to get the value in hectares. All the best. Okay, not much time given to you people. Ma'am will get started now. Of course, you can get a feel of hard questions, right? Don't worry. How do we find out the area over here? We know that the road is of the width of 10 and the length over here, this side is 700 and the breadth is 300, like that, okay? One is 700, one is 300. So maybe this one or anyone, okay? This one looks like 300 to me and this one looks like 700 to me. Okay. So now what we will do is we will first find out the area. So what is the area of PQSR? That is like this. Actually, it should be written as PQRS. Okay. So PQRS area would be equals to how much, guys? 300 multiplied with 10. Yes, that is 3,000 meters square. And if I ask you the area of EHGF, then EHGF will be very good. 7,000 because 700 into 10, 7,000 meters square. Okay? Yeah. So over here, we found out the two area, but wait, there is a point to catch. What is the point to catch here? The point to catch is, yes, Ashanya. You can type it in the chat box. Sorry, it's a demo, so I can't unmute you. KLMN. KLMN is an area which is repeated in both these two areas, 7,000 also, 3,000 also. So how would we find out its value? 10 into 10. That is 100 meters square. So 10,000, that is the sum of this and this. minus 100 is equals to 9,900 meters square. Agreed? And they are asking you the questions answer in hectares. So this is something we started our question with. Do you guys remember this? We started with the conversion property that 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meters square. So this divided by 10,000 would give me 20 cancel, 20 cancel. How much? How much will be the answer? Oh my God, why are people confused here? Looks like you people have not caught something, not got an idea of something. Well, can I help? I can help. 0.99 hectares. Very good, Aradhya. Thank you so much. 0.99 hectares. But that's not the answer of the question. Then what's the answer of the question? Whatever we calculated as the area of the path, is that enough? No. We need the area of the park without the road. And park without the road will be entire 700 into 300 minus this. So what is 700 into 300, lovelies? 7 times 3, 21. 0000. That is equivalent to 2,10,000, also called as 210,000. This divided by 10,000 will give me the value in as 21 hectare. And I am going to subtract 0.99 hectares from it to get the answer, which is none other than 20.01 hectares. Is that okay? Is that good to go? Awesome. Nice. No doubts. Perfectly fine. All right, then let's go to the next question. I know it was a little wholesome question, but trust me, Ashanya, it's 20.01. Okay. Dinah bent a plastic wire to form the given figure, and the given figure is made up of 4 squares and 4 equilateral triangles. Find the length of the wire. All of over to you. Be careful. All of them are equilateral triangles. So if this entire thing is 20, that means 20 is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the side of each square and what is the side of each equilateral triangle now? 20 divided by 4, 5 centimeter. Exactly. So if that's the case, then you have the answer with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 10 at the bottom also. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that means 20 sides of 5 centimeter each is equals to 100 centimeter. Any questions, any doubts? What was the catchy point which makes this a level 2 question? The catchy point is no direct information about the length. You have to find it yourself. So this will need attention, right? And this would need Priyasha ma'am. So that means we will be meeting back pretty soon in the coming sessions and we'll be doing more questions like this. Okay, one more question for all of you. I don't want to give you a very hard one, but probably I'll give you something which is a very famous and very common type of question, loved by a lot of, a lot of question paper setters. Considering this to be the second last question of the day, here is it, question number 7 on your screen. Now don't tell me, ma'am, how did you jump from 3 to 7? because you people are ready for 4, 5, 6. It will just be repetition. Okay, let's go. Question number 7. Please answer. How do we know how many number of boxes will fit in? For doing these type of questions, please note down in your notebook. We always do it with the help of volume. And isn't it a three-dimensional figure, guys? Three three dimensions, three sides given to you. So it's a 3D figure. Now, out of the 3D figure, how to calculate the volume? Length into breadth into height. Where is the answer, Satata? You're just smiling. Where is the answer? Volume is equals to length into breadth into height. And what is the volume in the case of a cube? Any guesses? You have to just apply your brain. What is the difference between a cuboid and a cube? Cuboid has the length, breadth, height different. Oh, hi, Viraj. And Viraj, I have a small request. I cannot unmute you. And thank you for keeping this picture. Okay, welcome back, Viraj. But yeah, demos don't allow you to unmute. But yes, you can still type it in the chat box. The cube has all the sides equal. So basically the length, the breadth and the height are all gonna look the same. So I can say that it is side multiplied with side, also called as side cube. So let us do our work then. Let's first take the bigger volume and then divide it by the volume of one small piece so that I can find out how many pieces can fit in it. It's like the big piece and this is one small piece. So how many such small pieces can fit in? We have to just check for that. Okay. All right. So let us go. Volume of cuboid divided by volume of one cube. That's your formula. What is the volume of the cuboid? 15 times 9 times 12. Now here is a pro tip for all my students out there. The pro tip is never go and multiply the entire thing and then divide it by the product of the entire thing. Smart people simplify. Write it down. Smart people simplify. Smart people simplify. Now, what do the smart people do? I'll show you. 3 into 3 into 3 is your volume over here, right? 3 into 3 into 3 is your volume, right? So over here, instead of multiplying it over here, I will just cancel this. How can I do that? 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 gone cancel. 3 times 5 is 15. So that is also cancelled. And now all I can do is 5 multiplied with 12. See, this is a demo, guys. So I cannot unmute you. But in the class, when it will be a real class, we will be unmuting and talking about how to do this faster. So this is one of the faster methods, okay? 5 multiplied with 12 is none other than 60, which is the answer of my question. Make sense to everyone? All of you have made notes. I want all of you to please note down this formula. This formula is equals to number of cubes. Okay? Number of cubes. Okay. With this comes one last question from my side. And that is none other than, how was the class? I'm going to see you people very soon in the regular sessions for your level 2 practice. We'll practice together and crack the level 2 with the full mark, okay? But before that, you all have to connect back to Olympiad Success with all the details of the classes and the courses and stuff, okay? So you can use the links provided in the chat box, or you can also do it by calling them up or messaging them. Yeah, Satita, demo. So tiny demo. teeny tiny. Okay. All right. No, Satita, classes are 1 hour 15 minutes, not the demo. Okay. So looks like Satita wants to learn more. Satita, see you in the regular classes. Bye bye, people. Thank you, Aishanya. Thank you so much. Take care, everyone. Thanks. See you in the next coming sessions. Okay. And till then, do let me know. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Virat. That's such a big compliment that you find it the best math class. Take care, everyone. Bye bye. See you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.